Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with additional, the additional with extra puzzles. Seven extra puzzles we have here. Let me show you the extra puzzles. The letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 star Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all. Why not? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, I've already solved 3 regular puzzles today. So 7 puzzles. That's a lot for a day. Alright, this one. 3 Star Sudoku number 9727. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has also a lot of printed digits, 28. Well, should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 30 minutes. It's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 3 stars or 0 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. There's a lot of 6s here. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6, 6. 6, 6. Okay, cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. How about? Need a 1 here. Let me think. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so the last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3, 3. Yeah. 3, 3. Okay, cannot continue with the 3 now. Need to wait. How about? Need a 2 there. Need a 5 here. In this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number in the third column is number 5. We have a 5 in the first row, so no 5 there. So the 5 in the third column could be here, or there. We see another 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 in the last row, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2, 2. 1, 2, 3. Need a 4. Need a 9. 9. Okay. Well, need 8 here. Yeah. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the last row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. Only place left for the 8 should be there. 9, 4, 5, 4, 4. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. Need a 9 there. Need a 5 there. Come on, come on, come on. Need a 7 here. How about yeah. Need a 4 here. Need a 6 there. Okay. Come on. 6, 7. 7. 2 could be here or there. Yeah. Need a 2 here. Well, here can be 2. In this row, we need a 2. Here can be 2, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. Here can be 2, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. So the 2 in this row could be here, could be there. Need a 9 there, okay. Yeah, but it's not helping me, this one. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2. 1, 1. The 7 here. Come on. 8. 8, 8. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. I'm stuck here. I'm really stuck here. 2, 2. Need a 2 there. In this column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, or there in this column. Here, or there. We see another 2 in the first row, no 2 there. Another 2 in the second row, no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. 5, 5, 5, 5. 1, 1. Need a 9. 9, 9. And I need a 4. Yeah. In this column, 3 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers in this column are the numbers 4 and a 9. We have 4 and a 9 in this big square, so no 4 and a 9 in this box. 4 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. So 1 digit left in this column for number 1. 1, 1, okay. Need a 5. Need a 2. 5, 2, and the 7. 5, 2, and 7, okay. One. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1 and 8. We have 1 and 8 in the second row, so no 1 and 8 in this box. 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. It's a pair, 1 and 8, 1 and 8. So 1 digit left in this big square for the other 1. The 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing here. Alright. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. And I need... Yeah, 5, 5, 5. Okay. Need a 4 here. Need a 1, 4, and need a 8 here. Come on. This one is not easy. 0 stars. 3, 8, 4. I need a 4 here. That means we need a 4 there. Okay. 2. Yeah. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column, so the third column now only 2 places level 2. Could be here, could be there. So we need a 2 here. In this big square, we need a 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, here, or there. Need 2 here. Well, no 9 here. 8. 8, 8, 8, 8. Oh, 8, 8. Need an 8 here or there. Yeah, need a 1 here. No 7. No 7, 7. Should be here also. Yeah. In this big square, we need a 7. We have a 7 in this third column, no 7 in this box. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 7 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column. The only place level the 7 should be there. Need a 7 here. We have a pair, the 7 and the 5 in this row, the 7 and the 5 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 7 and 5 goes in those. Oh, we already have a 5 here, 7 and a 5. No, here should be the 7. Let me mark those. 9 in this row, last row, 9 in the row above, so that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left now in the third column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing here. 4 and the 9, we have a 4 now in the first row, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then 9. For 5 missing numbers in this big square, one of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only place left for the 9 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 7, so the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 5 goes there. 1 and 8, we have 8 now in this third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left now in this third row for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 1 box left now in this second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here, mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 7. We have a 7 now in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers 1 is missing. The 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left now in the first column for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing here. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 9 in this. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. Then 2 and 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in the last column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes elevated 2. We have a 2 in the last column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 box left now in this column for the mark. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. Mark those 2 boxes elevated 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers. Oh, 1 and a 6. We already have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well, not faster than 14, 30 minutes. Let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah, it's not a 1 star. Otherwise, it will be. Otherwise, it will be. I need to be faster than 50 minutes. So, yeah, let me give this a 2 stars. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.